What's good, guys? It's another new week, and today is Thursday, and this is like my first trade this week. I've not taken any trade at all this week, so I took a trade on Euro USD today. I think yesterday I took a small loss on one of my accounts. It's supposed to break even. It's supposed to be a break even trade, but I scaled in as usual, so I got stopped out a little bit. But I'm currently on this trade on Euro USD. I'm currently on this sell, risking 0.25% because I was having a little doubt on the trade. So instead of not entering the trade at all, I reduced my risk so my emotions will not be on the trade. So I'm currently risking 0.25 on this particular trade. So if I get an entry, I will take it. If I don't get an entry, if I get an entry to scaling, yeah, that's what I mean. I will take it. If I don't get an entry to scaling, we leave it as it is. So I'm currently on the trade, and let me show you guys. See, this is my Numa account, and this is my live account here, and this one also. Let's see how it goes, guys. I'll update you guys. I'll surely update you guys. This week has it's just like every other week. I wait for a very good setup that I'm very sure of. Then I take the trade, regardless of anything. So this is like my first trade for this week. So I'll update you guys how it's going to be. Hopefully this week will be another winning week. Who knows? But I'll update you guys. Let's go. So what's good, guys? The trade stopped out at break even. So the trade stopped out at break even, but on my Naira account, yeah, because I'm before I upload this video, I'm going to upload a video, and that video is telling you guys about a broker that allows you to trade on with 2,000 naira. They allow you to trade with 2,000 naira. So I took the sell on Euro USD. I lost around 1,000. I'll paste the screenshots here. I lost around 1,000 something, 1,200 naira. Then I entered again because I deposited 3k. Then I entered again and closed around there for 4,000 naira or so. Yeah. So my current balance now is 4,000 naira. But on my other prop accounts, it stopped me out at break even. But it is what it is. This week has just been there. I missed trades yet. If I backtest, if not backtest, if I review my day, because at the end of the day, I usually review my trades, and I noticed that I missed some particular trades. But if I'm active, yeah, or if my bias for that day was the opposite side of that trade, I don't know if you understand what I mean. So I want to buy today, yeah, and today the market sold and it showed my setup, yeah. I could not say I want to sell because my bias for the day is buy. So I usually have a bias for the day where I feel the daily candle wants to print to. So if daily candle wants to print bullish, that will be my bias for the day. If it gives setup for bearish, I'm not going to be taking that bias. So that is what it is now. So it's a break-even trade. Tomorrow, if I get an entry, depending on what happens today, I want to see what happens today. Tomorrow, if I get an entry, I will take it. If I don't get an entry tomorrow, then it will be it will be next week. This will be the last trading day for the week. So far this week it has been a break-even week, and we keep pushing, guys. We keep pushing. Like I said, less is more. The lesser you trade, the more you get your results. I don't know how else to put it, but less is more. So let's see how it is, guys. I don't know if I'll get an entry today. I don't want to force any trades, but let's see how it goes. Peace, guys. So what's good, guys? I'm currently on this buy on S&P 500. I know I said I was maybe I would take but I said maybe I'll take a trade or not anyway. So I'm currently on this buy on S&P 500. This is my full target, so I'm going to be holding this trade to my full target. I'm risking 0.25% on the trade, so that is why. So my emotions are off the trade. 0.25% is rather small. So I don't have any attachments to the trade. My own is just to trade it. And the reason why I took this trade is because of the levels of liquidity resting here. Levels of liquidity resting here. I feel price should come and take them out because they are too much, honestly. So I feel price come and take out the levels of liquidity here. That is why I took the buy. I didn't want to wait for, because the way I've been missing trades on NAS and S&P 500 recent recently, so I didn't want to take the risk of waiting for candle to close. So I just took the entry on the 15 minutes. Was it 15 or 5 on the 5 minutes on this candle? Yeah, as soon as this candle comes to hit this other block, I took the buy, but I did not put my stop loss below this other block. Instead, I put it below this 30-minute order block. So far it's giving me a very good RR, then I'm fine with it. So let's see how it goes, guys. I will update you guys on how the trade is going to be. Let me show you guys on. I can't take it on my normal account due to some reasons, but on my other accounts is going pretty well. So I'll update you guys on how the trade is going to be. Let's go. What's good, guys? Another beautiful trade. Another beautiful trade. It took a long time before this trade will move to this point, but overall it was a good trade, a beautiful trade, and I took profit on all my accounts already. It got to 2 hours already. There was no need for me to hold it to 3 hours. Like I said, I'm in a losing streak. So I was in a losing streak rather. So I have to accumulate the winners, accumulate it more and more and more. And as you guys can see, I'm -1% down in drawdown on my life account. What God cannot do does not exist. Well, it's a beautiful trade. I like the trade. Yeah. And hopefully we go up from here. This might be my last trade for the week. Like I said, less is more. You don't need to trade more. You don't need to trade every single day. You just need to look for that one single day that you have a good setup, then you trade it. The reason why I'm not going full margin, or the way I want to risk more on the trade, is because most of my accounts are in drawdown and I need to balance it well. So, but if my accounts are no longer in drawdown and they're in a good place, like my instant funding account, that account, the way I'm going in on that account, guys, you guys will not believe it. But I'll paste it somewhere here. I'm risking 0.5% on that account. I'm not going lower. 0.5, but on this account 0.25%. On the two trades, if I had gone 0.5, 0.5, I'll be at break even now. But it doesn't mean, looking back at it, it's like I should have done 0.5% here, but you don't know what wants to happen next. That's just it. So you just have to manage risk and see how it goes from there. So this was a good trade, guys. A beautiful trade, I'm not going to lie. A beautiful trade. And it's going to go to this area, but I ain't gonna wait for that, man. It's going to go to that area. As you guys can see, close position, beautiful trade. So I'm up for the week again. If I get another trade tomorrow, I might take it, but I don't know yet. But as usual, I'll update you guys. Let's go. Let's go. So what's good, guys? Today is currently Friday and I'm on this sale on GU. I took this sale on GU. Hopefully it goes at my way. Hopefully it goes my way, but regardless, I take a loss or not, this week is a winning week. So regardless of anything that happens, so I'm risking 0.25% on this trade, and I took it on both of my accounts. I took it on two of my accounts. Neoma is currently having they're currently having a maintenance. They want to switch from what is it called? They want to, I don't know how to explain it, guys, but they are trying to migrate. Yeah, they are trying to create their own broker and migrate to MT5 also. So they are doing sort of maintenance. So it will take a while before we can, I think May 25th, that is when we can access them. So, but don't forget to buy an account with them, especially when they are done with the migration, because you are going to love it. I'm not joking, guys. You are going to love it. So I'm currently on the trade. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. I took it on almost on my account and my Naira account also. I've been trying to grow that Naira account. If I lose on this trade, I'll still have small Naira change there. I'm enjoying it so far. So if you want the link for that naira account, and you can start your trading with just 2,000 naira, it's in the description box. You can also start your trading with just 2,000 naira. I started with 3,000 naira, but you can start with 2,000 naira. 2,000 is the minimum deposit. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'm going to update you guys. I think I let me share this trade on my Telegram channel. Let me share the trade on my let me share this trade on my Telegram channel for people that wants to join in this trade. Because my yesterday's trade too, I shared it on Telegram. So let me share it on this one on Telegram also. You can see full TP smashed. I shared the trade on Telegram. No cap. Selling GU. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'm going to update you guys how it's going to be. Let's go. So what's up, guys? The trade came back to stop me out. I was in profit, so I scaled in. I think I scaled in somewhere around here. I scaled in somewhere around here, and I moved my stop loss to this area because, like I said, when I scale in, I tend to move my stop loss. So price took me out, and I knew that if price would take out this high, it means market wants to move to the upside and is not planning to come to the downside. So that's one of the disadvantages of scaling in, because if I had put my stop loss here without scaling in, I won't lose as much as I did now, but I still didn't lose as much also. So you guys, I don't want you to think I lost that much. I didn't lose as much also. On this one, I think I lost about, was it $10 or so? Let me see. Sorry guys. Oh, that's not it. Okay, at least let me see. I lost $12. That's 0.25% on two entries. Two entries. So same here. This one to $12, 0.25%. Just two entries. If I had taken if it has gone my way, it would have been a very beautiful trade, but it is what it is. So I don't think I'll be taking any trade this week again. Today is Friday. I usually don't take trades on Friday, but this trade was too enticing for me not to take, and I took it and it resulted in a loss. So for this week now, I think is two trades so far, one win, one loss, still up 1 hour. One more will I ask for? Nothing more. Is a good week, yeah, and hopefully next week will be better. This might be the last video, or there'll be a video after this one. I don't know yet. Well, a good week. Let's go. Guys, can you see this? This is one of the disadvantages of scaling in. If I'd left this trade, can you see this, guys? Can you see this? Clean 3 hour trade. See it, same GBP USD. Same thing. It did not even hit my stop loss at all. I am pained. So I lost money that I'm not supposed to lose this today, but it's all good. Ah, God. This is just an I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. See you guys. I will talk about this in the next clip because what is this? What's good, guys? So the week has finally ended, and as you can see, if you look at the last clip here, that trade was a very good trade, a banger trade, and that is one of the reasons why I don't like scaling in my trades sometimes, because that trade, if I had not scaled in, I wouldn't break even, yeah, and probably to smash my TP, you understand, but everything now is now in hindsight. Maybe shoulda, all those woulda. So it's all good, guys. This week is a profitable week. Yeah, we ended the week pretty well. it's a good week in my opinion. I felt I should have done better this week, especially in that last trade, yeah. But it is what it is. And on my life account, yeah, my 5K life account, I'll be risking 0.5% now because I've realized that I'm scared of losing that account. So I'm risking too low. Yeah. So I'll be risking just 0.5%, one entry. And if I drop below 4,009, that is below 2%, I'll drop my risk down. But now I'm above, I think I'm down 1.3%, yeah. 1.3, roughly 1.3%. So 1.3% is nothing, yeah. So I would increase my risk next week. But for the remaining account, I'll still keep the same risk and we would see how it goes. It's a good week anyways. So two good winning week back to back. We go again next week, guys. I don't want this video to be too long. See you next week. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. Thank you, guys. Peace.